The real reason déjà vu happens: you are in a place you have never been before. A conversation is unfolding around you that you have never had. And then it hits a wave of absolute certainty that you have been here, in this exact moment, before. The words feel pre-written. The room feels memorized. You know what someone is about to say before they say it. And then it passes. And you are left with nothing, no memory of when this happened, no explanation for why it felt so real. Just the strange, slippery residue of a moment that your brain recognized as familiar but your conscious mind cannot place. That is déjà vu. And it happens to roughly 2/3 of the population. The question is, what exactly is going wrong in your brain when it occurs? The answer is not what most people think. And it says something surprising about how memory actually works. The problem with studying IT déjà vu has resisted scientific study for most of its history. Not because it is rare, but because it is completely unpredictable. You cannot schedule it. You cannot provoke it on command. By the time a researcher could set up any kind of measurement, the experience is already gone. For most of the 20th century, the scientific understanding of déjà vu was dominated by speculation. Freud suggested it involved repressed memories. Others connected it to past lives. For a long time, the most popular explanation was simply that it was a kind of brain glitch, a misfiring signal, nothing more. The problem with calling it a glitch is that it does not explain anything. It just gives the phenomenon a dismissive name. The real breakthrough came when researchers stopped trying to catch déjà vu in the act and started thinking carefully about what memory actually is and what familiarity specifically means in the brain. Two kinds of memory: when you remember something, you are not doing one thing. You are doing at least two very different things, and they happen in separate brain systems. The first is recollection. This is what most people mean when they talk about memory. You remember a specific event: who was there, what was said, where you were standing, the light in the room. Recollection is detailed, contextual, narrative. It places you in a specific past moment. The hippocampus is central to this process.